Now we are going to start playing word. Today's root word is year. What is the Bangla meaning of year? Come. A. Who is A? Come. And write your word in the whiteboard. Why have you given cross? It could meaning name. There is no meaning in the dictionary. Okay, take your seat. Big hand for Imran. B. Who is B? What is the Bangla meaning of BR? Bhaluk. Okay, big hand. Why have you given cross? What is this? DR. DR Bangla meaning of DR? Priyo. Okay, take your seat. Big hand. Fear. Fear মানে ভয়. Okay, big hand. শোনা ইয়ার কোনো কিছু শোনা. ওকে, টেক ইউর সিট. হোয়াই হ্যাভ ইউ গিভেন দ্য ক্রস? বাংলা বলেন. ওয়ার্ড নাই. ওকে, টেক ইউর সিট. Care, cross. There is no meaning. Care. Okay, take your seat. এবার ডিকশনারিতে নাই. ওকে.